Hi everyone, warm welcome from Kaizen Tools Corporation, Bangalore, India. We are pleased to take you for the virtual show of various manufacturing activities being carried out at our various divisions. Now we are into the division 1, wherein we are manufacturing hydraulic work holding devices for CNC, analog, machining, grinding, and inspection, and various applications. And you may wish to see the hydraulic chucks among the work holding devices, wherein the components before performing the operation and the component after performing the VMC machining operations held in our hydraulic chucks. And hydraulic expansion mandrels, various for automotive, aerospace, and any various high precision manufacturing industries. And these are different types of hydraulic chucks with regard to the division 1. And we will now move on to division 2, our hydraulic tool holders manufacturing division. And we manufacture various sizes and various tapers of hydraulic tool holders, hydraulic tool holders with world-class quality, and they are stock items, also special items to the specific requirement of the customers, hydraulic tool holders in our division 2. And now we'll move on to our division 3. Division 3, we manufacture very high precision components, either on job work basis or on manufacturing supply basis. Very high precision within few micron geometrical tolerances. You may wish to see the high precision components being manufactured at our component division. And in our division 4, we manufacture hydroglyph adapters, that is hydraulic tool holders, miniature hydraulic tool holders, which are called hydraulic adapters. So they are also standard items which are available in the market with our Zen brand. So these, for example, conventional, what we have seen in the division 2 are the hydraulic tool holders meant for VMCs and mostly being used in VMCs, and various tapers, any kind of tapers, either standard or specialized requirement, hydraulic tool holders. And wherein here in our division 4, you'll be seeing the same hydrogrip mechanism, but adapter type, miniature, which can be fit into any of your existing conventional machines, not only for CNC, but also your conventional milling machines or very miniature mill cum drilling machines. It can be conventional holders can be upgraded to give the performance of a hydraulic tool holders. That's called hydraulic adapters for us. So these are the hydraulic adapters. This taper can be any taper which can fit into your existing conventional tool holders. And wherein ER collet, in this case, all you have to do is you will be seeing a conventional ER collet holder. So wherein you will be removing the collet chuck nut, just you will be inserting, you will be screwing in, that is in this threaded, you will be screwing in this our hydraulic adapter. And also there are concentric screws provided to align it for once. Once if you align it and fix it, and it will be self-centralized with your spindle, and it will give the same accuracy of any hydraulic tool holders. Your conventional holder is now after removing the ER collet also, and also the collet chuck nut, you by inserting threading, that is screwing in our hydraulic adapters, it will become a full hydraulic tool holder, give the same performance of hydraulic tool holder. So this is a cost effective method wherein you need not have there is no taper of BT40 or ISO, any kind of taper at the spindle side, because that is being taken care by using your existing tool holder. So your existing tool holder you need not throw away, you can make it, and you can simply insert a small adapter, hydraulic adapter, to convert it as a hydro grip tool holder. So this is our innovation in our division 4 we are being manufactured. So now the hydraulic devices, particularly work holding devices or tool holding devices, hydraulic mandrels or hydraulic chucks, the mechanism is they are self-centralizing. You can directly fit into your machine's faceplate or machine spindle. You can integrate it, or you can put it once in your VMC machine bed and fix it permanently. There is absolutely no setup time. It's a very minimal setup time. Just put the component and you will be able to actuate it. You will be able to actuate, clamp and declamp at a very few seconds it is. So the advantages of hydraulic work holding devices and hydraulic tool holders are self-explanatory. We have explained in detail in the previous videos. Thank you for watching.